Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi Khatri, MTech IT third year student at IIPS DAVV, and today we are going to discuss the MCA Second Internal Test paper. So let's begin. So the first question is the two main paradigms of data research are hypothesis driven and dash. So the answer is data driven. uh, in hypothesis driven we start with a theory and then test it using a data, but in data driven we have no assumptions at the first sight. Instead, we explore the data and find the patterns, insights and relationship between them. Today, modern analytics, AI, ML systems mostly follow the data driven approach because huge data is easily available out there. Next is big data is often defined by the three V's: volume, variety, and dash. So the third V is velocity. Here, uh, variety means many types of data such as text, video, logs, images. Volume basically means large quantities of data, and velocity means data is arriving at very fast speed. Like for example, Instagram posts per second. Velocity basically explains the speed of data generation and processing. Next, the type of data science problem that involves predicting a numerical value is called dash. So the answer is regression. Regression Regression is used when output is a continuous number. For example, predicting a house price, marks, weight, or rainfall amounts. It tells us how much. Next is the set of all possible outcomes of an experiment is called dash. So the answer is sample space. In probability, every experiment has all possible outcomes. For example, tossing a coin, we can get head or tails. So this is the complete list of these outcomes is known as sample space. Next is two events A and B are independent if and only if P A intersection B is equals to. So the answer is P of A into P of B. Events are independent when the result of one of that does not affect the another. For such events, joint probability is equals to product of individual probabilities. Next is the exact middle value among a data set is called dash. So the middle value is known as median. Median is a value that divides the data set into two equal halves. Useful when data has outliers like extreme values because median is stable. Next is a correlation value of dash means there is no linear correlation. So the answer is 0. Correlation 0 means no linear relationship exists, and however, a linear relation is still possible. Next is information lost during the data acquisition is classified as in dash. So the correct answer is artifacts. Artifacts are errors or distortions generated during data collection. They permanently affect data quality and these cannot be recovered. Next is regression based filling of missing data is called dash. So the answer is model based imputation. This technique basically uses a predictive model to estimate and fill the missing values. It gives better accuracy than mean or medium filling. Next is grouping numeric data into intervals is called dash. So the answer is binning. Binning converts continuous value into categories like age 0 to 10 or 10 to 20, 20 to 30. This reduces noise and simplifies patterns. Next is transforming labels into binary vectors is called dash. So it is called one hot encoding. This converts text categories into 0 1 vectors. Example red 100, blue 010, green 001. Next is the rule stating 95% of data lies within plus minus 2 sigma is known as dash rule. So it is known as empirical rule for normally distributed data. it is used. Next is error consisting of model reducible part is known as dash. So it is known as reducible error, as the name suggests. This error can be lowered with better features, better algorithms, or tuning the parameters. And its opposite is irreducible error, which cannot be removed. Next is the principle favoring simplicity is called dash. So it is called Occam's razor. If multiple models explain the data, the simplest model is preferred. So it avoids overfitting and improves generalization. Next is no single ML algorithm is best for all dash. So it's not best for all the data sets. No algorithm is universally best for all types of data sets, and this is also known as no free lunch theorem, as we have mentioned in the last video as well. Next is models assuming a fixed functional form are called dash. So they are called parametric models, and these models assume a specific shape like linear or polynomial, and they are faster but less flexible compared to the non-parametric model. Next is correct positive predictions metric is dash. So it is known as precision. We know the formula of precision, that is TP upon TP plus FP. It tells us how many of the predictive positives were actually correct. It is used in spam detection, for fraud detection, etc. Next is validation uses one sample at a time is dash. So it is known as LOOCV, that is leave one out cross validation. Each data point becomes the test set once and very accurate, but it is computationally expensive. Next is linear regression minimizes dash. So it minimizes RSS, that is residual sum of squares. Linear regression tries to reduce the total square differences between the actual and the predicted value. So lower the RSS, better the model will fit. Next is L1 regularization method is dash. So it is lasso. Lasso shrinks coefficients and makes some values exactly zero. This helps in feature selection, reducing complexity, avoiding overfitting, etc. Thank you.